Welcome to our channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Smash that subscriber button. Don't forget to like, comment, or share.
Yebo, ribatanganedza once again. Anona zvimwe zvevarari vazidozori ndi mapungo pedzi ndi mudipo pedzi ndi mijaivo pedzi namuzirikodi ngachipidi ngaruviro ruhuru vari ha kasvike ngaruviro rono rwa goroyi ndichipidi. Yeah, I'm talking a music video now. The music video wa JR Player and Racha wo feature Road Kid Venda and Nichidoshi. Man, I mean, like the track itself, it's just something else, man. It's just something else. Why I'm saying something else, I mean, ngandira waswana oshuma word playing ngayo, ngandira ene mabubisi oshumisi wangayo, which is what these artists are doing now. Ni wana bakono liamba tambalo perera marangandira ine. You won't even catch uri matamba kana uko kind of semani, you know what I mean. It's so clean, it's so nice, you can jam it anytime, anywhere. The talent is galore, guys. They understand. Or but Racha killed GR Player na Root Kid track Tshipidi na music video. The official visuals, it's out, and it's something else. Like the Konubudza Tshipidi. Chinonga cha goroyi life ai easy ndoringongo ndadona nodrenga na polo ndrizino ukidaka polo jar player chikwamba nga polo ri adodona nodrenga nga polo tada ndori buchura buri ruwi rechibangi rachakile ako diambori chidoshi ko dirunga milenje ngongwana muzi izwa nazo zipolo ziko bara na mina na goroyi chari chipino chara ndiko shawa kombo and hey, but therefore the phone young I mean, like, you listen to all those lyrics, these guys were just playing around, like they really made it so easy to enjoy the whole song. You enjoy everything. And one thing I'll tell you, futi kitaka jar player naye lyrically zozudzanya ngandira ine abori at divizori arana muntu angaba ukhongo gungura kana ukhongo ambazone akwambazone udwa ko techeresa ngadzipi ndebe ngor this is so pure clean namsa disumbedzisa or hi badwa bakuli ntiri hodiro bora baro ya ndezo ndiziyamba hezo arai ndikomu for ene ublend body ya dina apa dzingoboni so yeah ndina reaction angaye paloni already. If you listen clearly uruwo kwambwa mini apa khawa badu kwambwa mini ngori like ngompa musi kusimbedzo ra gomba khasana lapha tsini hi then I remember bati ndi musi botangana wasona wachikuita zone bakuita zone. So I mean, like I don't find anything. I enjoyed this. I really love it, guys. Like I said, if it's nice, guys, I like this one. Thumbs up for the boys. They've done great, man. I mean, I'm page in the search. Tshipidi. At the search 7 Tshipidi. Ha, one. So, what more can you ask for, man? Just tell me. One. So, one thing I'm gonna say is, I feel like we might still be. Maybe that impact comes kazi radio zayani na kazi TV na mini, but this thing is social media and everything, guys have given us a platform. Let's use it, see what these boys are doing, support these boys, guys, because they're doing great. So ngo complain you'll find like but bako lead or hey track pop mini ngori ndiya chivenda mara the same track na yona mbanga ngoro amboni wana wako jive vachikodokana ngasizipfesese bathu bahani mara hai vasona vari kampe chipachi ndiseche nyamdiwa rachakile musi ngori uchidha kha mafungo awe vone haza vorachi vangasizipfesese. I don't know uri uzikonani uri achingona zvozvipinga ndira hey, but the way Racha have come a long way. It's one of those dangerous guys when it comes to the pen game ari kwamba when the uncles or storytelling or battle and what I mean, like this guy can play around with words that you'll find all the ladies singing along. Majita tia tolo to question as or wife na pongora so no one angorado no kofungoro zone na nobody relates, but how he does it, everybody, everybody, ladies love it, man. Umuvuzori agere mudavi huna match nkomforno kwamba mimi na mrawa ningena the move for TV dina Russia the carpet and palodi. Are you getting what I'm saying, guys? Ngobona I feel like Kampe chipachi ndi search. Ndi roe 2 finger. Ndi search. Do you get what I'm saying? I mean, like you, if you're not getting it, I don't know what the meaning. Ngobon. Chigwena chifera chigo explain ngam gwara ngandre na funa naye and kamba rootkit akusimbisa ngam gwara ngamateki yawe mara hey asifake it anu inta research sasa numbers na rai sabana goloi ndiko ushaba combo ukupira combo ngobona araba dikona zezipolo zinozi cheap ufana na phone yawe but hey bako beba ngori bako reza nganama bako langa nama so kampe chisebo ndisebe kampe chipachi ndiseche. I'm telling you guys, we gotta win. We gotta win. We gotta win. This track, man, is something else. So make sure that you go check out the track. I'll drop the link on the description. Please go and check out the track. It's something else. I'm hoping na radio is the I where I will send sorry. Yeah, I got the radio edit nyana come on my people pala. But the track itself deserve it all. Amara here. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to drop your comment down below. Tell us also what do you think. Amara here.